Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Tim Aslan here. I hope you had a good holiday weekend if you're in the US. Um, so, not too much happened over the weekend. We did get this little, dump and then pump, but overall, just chopping around. So, now, as soon as New York opened, you can see that was right here on this red candle. We got a huge move down. And then for the last few hours, Bitcoin has literally been a stable coin, just kind of ranging right here. Um, but at the moment, I think we are slightly more bullish than bearish in the short term. The reason I say that is if you look here, you can make a leading out of this, choppy structure to the upside. Um, and we are at the 1.618 right now. So we'll see. I personally took a long position here with my stop at the low. I think it's a good trade if we can get it. If not, that's okay. I'll show you the alternative. Um, but if we go up from here, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the possibility of a ABC up like this. And I would look at least at the 60,100 area. Or if we're in something bigger, there's a possibility that this is a ABC flat like this, because we broke this low as a triple wave. So my first area of interest is 61,150 and then 61,800. So that's a possibility if we go up right now. We also have 62,450, which matches this TR pocket area and the VWAP from the all-time high right here. So if we go up, that's where I would look. But as you can see, we're kind of breaking down at the moment. So if we do break these lows here, which is very possible, the first area of interest is what I mentioned in last week's video, which was this TR pocket range val right here. And then that's confluent with the 618 of the move down like this. So you can use your trend-based fib to get that value there. So this is a decent volume area with that confluence. Might get a bounce in this area. But if that does not hold, the next area I would look for is this daily down here at 54K. We have a larger TR pocket, actually the same TR pocket that dumped us from 65K. And then we have the 100% of this ABC target right there and that daily level. So to me, this is a pretty nice area if we can get it, but we'll see if we can get that low or not. The US stock market really dumped today. You can see NASDAQ down 3% on the day, which is huge. We had some bad data apparently, but last week was really nice for shorts. Up here, you can see we swept this liquidity. And then I think we're heading to at least 18,770. So, another few percent down on NASDAQ is what could make Bitcoin also go down to those levels, which I mentioned. So one thing to note, though, let me see if I have this still here. So this is CoinGlass data. One thing to note is we do have some divergence, some hidden bullish divergence here. You see at the top right here, we had hidden bearish divergence where the CVD was higher in the lower prices. And then when we got up here, we had lower CVD but higher Bitcoin prices, which means a lot of orders were getting absorbed and people, the smart players, were essentially shorting. There wasn't enough volume to bring us above these highs. So now we're having the same thing in opposite, where at this low right here, the CVD is even lower than this bottom over here. So that makes me think that longs are being absorbed. or excuse me, shorts are being absorbed into longs, and I think a more significant bounce will come soon. You can also see right here, this is the open interest, which measures how much money is being leveraged into the market. At these highs, you can see we were pretty high up. That was a lot of longs coming in, and we wrecked all of them, and open interest dumped on this dump. Now, open interest is pumping really hard again, while prices are going down. So this is telling me that a lot of shorts are coming into the market, and we're almost at the same amount of open interest as we were when we had this violent move down. So to me, I'm thinking that either here or our next bottom will be a more significant short squeeze, where we go up either to break these highs or just at least up as a retracement, and get some shorts out of the market. So we'll see what happens based on that. You guys know my main two scenarios for now. If you need a good exchange to trade with, check out Bit2Nex. I use their link in the bottom of the description, so check them out and leave a like on the video. I'll see you later this week.